This video demonstrates how to check out in Polaris Local Offline. I'm logged into the Local Offline application. I can tell we're working in Local Offline because the application toolbar is gray and most of the actions are unavailable. To check out materials, open the circulation menu and select Checkout. One important thing to note here, while the option to check in is available, we do not check in items while in offline mode. Once I select Checkout, the offline checkout work form opens. Since I just logged in, I first want to make sure the work form is set up to print checkout receipts. I'm going to look under Tools and Options, select the checkbox for Checkout Receipt, and make sure the style is set to Receipt. Use the drop-downs to select the correct printer and driver from the list. Your options will look different than mine, and you may need to consult with your library IT on what to select. Click OK to apply the changes. These settings will remain in place for your session. Once you log out and log back in, you'll want to double-check the options again. We're ready to check out. Scan a patron barcode. If the patron record appears in the offline MDB files stored on your computer, the patron's name and library will populate the patron data fields. Patrons who have registered for a library card since your offline files were last updated will not have information displayed. That's okay. Once the offline transaction files are uploaded, the checkouts will still be applied to the patron's record. A window with patron blocks may appear. Library staff can select Yes to continue with the checkout. Scan item barcodes into the item barcode field. Items will check out for your library's default loan period. To adjust the loan period, click Special before checking the item out. Due dates of items already checked out cannot be modified. Change the loan period by selecting a new date from the calendar, or change the value using the loan period options on the right. If adjusting the loan period, you have the option to apply the new value just to the next item scanned, apply to all subsequent items checked out to your patron, or apply to all checkouts for the remainder of your session. If special loan is active, you'll see the adjusted loan value in the loan period box. If you chose to apply to all items for this patron or all checkouts, you are able to reset the loan period back to the default by clicking the Reset button. Once all items have been checked out to the patron, place your cursor in the empty item barcode field and click the Enter key. This will complete the transaction for the current patron and prompt a checkout receipt to print. The checkout work form has been cleared, and we're now ready to check out to the next patron. This has been a short video on checking out in Polaris Local Offline. If you have any questions, email help@ccslib.org.